Look at that down over there. Wow. Climbing. Oh yeah, they're doing a lot of rock climbing down there. And I'm not doing... Good evening. Oh, hang on, let me just let a little bit of light in. It's a little bit dark. Hello. You might ask yourself, why are you watching your YouTube channel in your motorhome, Joff? Yeah, it's a good question. Well, believe it or not, someone was actually asking me the other day about what we use for like entertainment. We use YouTube. Basically, I've got a TV back here that I lie in bed and watch. So I do check out my drone footage occasionally on this television. But so we have got... Right, where do we start on this? So we have got a dongle, an EE dongle that we have like unlimited internet on that. I'm not going to get too involved with prices. You know the score. Are you a good customer? You'll get a good deal if you're a good customer. So basically, and there's so many deals out there to be had. So we're not going to get into that, but I'm just going to tell you what I've got. And yes, it's an EE super good dongle that we carry around, and I can carry it away from my motorhome and still like get on the internet and stuff with your phone or your laptop. So basically then what I tend to do, so if we do want some entertainment, then I've got a HDMI lead that I've sort of like tucked in underneath my mattress there, which does come up in the corner. It's not the tidiest wire in the planet, I'll admit that, but I'm a demon for not drilling holes as minimal as I can get away without drilling holes in my moho. So I've literally just got one of them Silway magnets up there with a little hook holding the wires out of the way, and that's where I've got my power supply coming up for my 12 volt television, which is a Megasat super duper TV. It's got a DVD in it and it's Bluetooth, so we can have some serious noise coming through it. And funny enough, I've just got my Bluetooth. I've got a Bose Mini Link here, which I'm just recharging. I think I might have drained the battery on a recent outing. So I've got my little Total Cool power pack, just giving it a little charge up for a second. But I always like to take this one. It's a great, so obviously look, this one here, the Bose Mini Link, goes in the little bag, little travel bag, so you can take it wherever you want. You can go off down to the beach, down the coast, take your music, you can sit outside just, and as long as you got your phone charged up or with the power station, it is good to go. So on the end of the HDMI lead, I've got one of these little adapter things that plugs into my MacBook, so I can play YouTube, I can play BBC player on there and whatever you want to play, and literally that just then goes up to the input on the HDMI on the Megasat, and you watch whatever you want. How good's that? Oh, so the other thing I was going to say, actually, I was going to mention, was the fact that if you saw me putting my stock wheels back on my motorhome a couple of videos ago, yes, they're all back on, and you might have seen where the fact that I was looking at the wear on my front brake pads. So today I've actually got the brake pads sorted out, and they will be getting picked up tomorrow. I'm actually going to be using genuine FIAT disc pads and discs. We're going to fit the disc pads and discs. So I was just going to actually put it out there, the fact that, yes, okay, it's they are a little bit more pricey than aftermarket parts, but this is my pride and joy. It's not going anywhere for a minute. If you're looking for a pattern part, you put a pattern part on, you may be looking for like a quick turnaround, and you know, if you're like getting rid of the vehicle just to get it through the MOT, something like that, this vehicle's not going too far. So, and I like to look after this vehicle, so I will be fitting genuine Fiat parts. If you want to order genuine Fiat parts, like discs, I rang the dealer up and said, look guys, have you got them in stock? And they're like, no, but and obviously they need a registration number, and and then it's literally you get the right part for your vehicle. But anyway, it was going to be 2 days, so they're like, yeah, I could have actually got them tonight. I didn't have time. Tomorrow they'll be getting picked up. So normally about 2 days, and you are getting your parts. So bear that in mind if you want to do this job. Do you want to do this job? Because I'm going to try. So initially I was thinking, right, are we going to take it to our workshop facility, get it on our air jack, get it jacked up? Hang on a minute. Maybe people, this is doable. And we can do this safely without a pit jack. All we're going to require is a good jack. You know the jack I use that big one that is a 10-tonner, so that's a real good jack. And I have got axle stands that I will be jacking the vehicle up and placing the axle. Safety is the utmost importance. So after that, I'm not gonna actually put my legs in underneath the vehicle and work on the vehicle. So I just want to put a few of these points out there, because well, you know what health and safety is like in this day and age. So and we don't want anybody thinking, oh, but so priority is to get the health and safety sorted out for this job. You do not want to be actually if that for any reason comes off a stand, there's catastrophe. So we got to make sure ultimately we're safe doing this job if you are thinking about doing this job. So yeah, my plan is to do this job and show you guys the tools you require to do the job, and how to do the job, and what's involved with the job, any little techie tips, because going on from there, the hourly rate for you to get maintenance done on your Fiat Ducato in a main dealer at the moment, do you know how much that is? It's £125 per hour to get any kind of work done on your and basically the job could potentially if you took your vehicle in there, they haven't got the parts on the shelf, they might need to strip down, ascertain what they need to do the job. You might need maybe some extra bits. You might need a caliper if you've got a seat caliper. You might need a brake hose, something like that. There could be more cost involved and more time, hourly rate time. So £125 per hour. So basically we are looking to save at least £125 by doing this job and using genuine Fiat parts. So what do you think, guys? I could do with some comments on this actually. I'm gonna probably do this video over the weekend, and yeah, if there's any people out there that oh my goodness, that sounds pretty interesting, what do you think? Would you have you done the job? Have you attempted to do the job? So stay with me. I'm gonna, you know, or if you think, yeah, I'm with Joff on this, I could actually do this job and use. There we go. So give me some comments if you watch this video, and I'm looking forward to try and bring you this really good video, up and coming, of how to do this job. And basically it will be replacing them brake pads and the discs. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for a minute. As you probably saw my little clip the other day, the pads were getting down on the thickness, and the discs are starting to get a bit wavy. And what you find is if I just went for the pads, the material, it takes a minute or two to actually regain the shape of the discs if you're not changing the discs. I may be getting away, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to even chance. Was not a chance. I'm not even going to do it. I just want to replace my discs, replace the pads, and then I'm back to the fresh start for them brakes. So we will catch you on the next video where we'll be getting our hands a little bit dirty. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Drop me a message, drop me a comment, and as always, we look forward to seeing you on the next video.